guide you through what all project services we provide here through a paid account so that you can get a clarity that how you can work on the projects and what all services you can work with or reuse side by side while you work on the project. And I believe you must be aware that whatever projects that we have, the services we provide, these are premium services for which there are certain subscription charges applicable, right? So I'll be helping you out on the charges as well. And we are providing some discounts and promotional offers. I'll be guiding you out with that too. So, regarding Project Pro, we are a platform wherein we are providing end to end industry oriented projects on the trending technologies like data science, big data, machine learning, AI, and data engineering. So, if you currently see in our platform, we have around 250 plus projects available. And this 250 plus projects are further divided into three major categories, that is beginner, intermediate, and complex level projects. So you would be able to access the complete set of projects that we have here, from the very basics to the complex level. And while you are working on these projects, you might also come across certain tools or tech stacks that you might not be much aware about. So in that case, you can refer to the free learning materials that we have in the form of recipes and tutorials. So recipes and tutorials are some of the complementary learning materials that we provide here along with the projects. Now moving ahead, we usually get a question from the clients end is that where does the projects come from that we are providing in our platform? So Project Pro, we are in partnership with industry experts who work in MNCs and tech giant organizations like Netflix, Walmart, Microsoft, Uber, Chase, Amazon. So these experts they replicate the project frameworks that they do in their organization in our platform. That is the reason why whatever projects that we have, these are all based out of real business problems, and even the data sets that you would be able to access from here is all industry oriented, real time, and in-house built data set. Now, let me log into the platform and give you a better idea about what these projects are. And you will find projects on various domains like retail, telecommunication, banking, financing, and so on. So, once when you have logged into the platform, you would be navigated to this dashboard page. The very first thing that you would see here is My Project Path. So My Project Path, it's a customizable option wherein you can filter out the list of projects as per your requirements. Okay. So for that, you click on My Customized Project Path, and this would take you to the page wherein you will find project path available for data science and big data. So you would be able to access both the set of projects on data science and big data both because these two technologies are somewhere interlinked with each other. So we make sure that you have access to both the category projects on data science and big data both. So right, absolutely correct. You can access both the set of projects. So right now, which project roadmap would you like me to guide you out with? AWS projects are available under big data majorly, but also in data science we have AWS in MLOps category. So right now, big data. Okay. So I'll guide you on the big data project path. So project path in general, you see, it's a complete project roadmap wherein you will find easy, you will find moderate, and you will find difficult level projects that we have here. So this list can be further customized as per your individual need. For that, go at the very top of the list. Then you will see a edit button out here. Click on this icon. Yes. Complex level. Yeah. So when we click on the edit button, you will see four fields that we have to fill up to filter out the project. Because we have around 250 plus projects, so manually picking up the project would not be feasible for anyone. So you can filter it out as per your requirement. The first field we have is your current role. So your current role, which option would you like me to go ahead with? Okay. We can go with others if you want me to select that. Okay, then we have is select your transition role. Herein, which one should I go ahead with? Big data engineering. Okay. Then we have is choose what you already know. So these are the list of tool services that you can select, which you are already aware about or you have worked with before. Okay. Okay. PySpark is available under Spark category. Selected. EMR. Okay. Hold on. CloudWatch. S3. Sure. So we'll go with these options for now that you are already aware about or you have worked with before. Then we have is choose what you want to learn. So herein, should I go with all the AWS options? Okay, I'll go with all the options. Then would you like me to select anything like Spark, Hadoop, Hype? Apart from AWS, are you looking into Azure or GCP as well? Or you are okay, AWS only, sure. So I'll slowly scroll down to let me know if there's anything else you want me to select from Hive, Hadoop. Hadoop, sure. HBase, Hive, Kafka, Kubernetes. Okay. Spark, PySpark. Oh, Snowflake. Okay. Spark. Okay. All the options or okay. Sure. So we'll go with these options for now. But since you are new to this field, so you might need expert support as well to understand what kind of project roadmap you should follow. So in that case, you can take our expert support. Okay. So you can after the enrollment, basically within the next 24 hours after the enrollment, there will be a first one-on-one session set up between you and the expert wherein the experts would guide you on they'll first understand your profile, your background, your further requirements more clearly, and help you design a complete learning path for you to meet your objective. So you can either follow up with that project roadmap designed by the expert, or you can manually create like how we are doing right now. Okay, now we click on get your path. So as per the selection we have made, accordingly the project path would be displayed on the screen. It will take a couple of seconds. Here we have. So if I go at the bottom of the list, you will see as per the selection we made, we got 49 projects. Now let me open one project for you to give you a quick idea about how you would be working on this projects and what all materials would be available. So would you like me to open a beginner, moderate, or a difficult level project for you right now? Moderate one. Sure. Okay, I'll slowly scroll up from here. Let me know which one should I open for you. From the starting, sure. Okay. Yep. Number 10, sure. So now whenever you click on any one of the project, you will be navigated to this user interface. The very first thing you see is the architecture diagram of the project, giving you a quick idea on the complete project workflow. Then if you scroll down a bit below, you will see this header containing four columns out here: project details, notes, forum, and download code. So project details contains the complete project description, the project agenda, the tech stack used, and the other details to work on the project. Because if you want to work with any project, may it be beginner, moderate, or difficult level, it's important for you to have a clear idea on the complete project structure, right? So that you'll be getting under project details section. Then we have is notes, wherein you can create and put up some notes here that you want to refer later on. Then we have is forum. So forum is an interactive portal through which you can interact with the other subscribers who are currently working on the project that we have selected right now. You can ask questions to each other, reply to each other's questions, or have a general interaction with each other. And apart from this, you will also be a part of our WhatsApp community, through which as well you can interact with the other set of subscribers that we have here. Okay. Then further we have is download code, wherein you will find the complete project solution, the data set, the code file, solution methodology. So you can download these folders in your local system, you can customize it, and you can reuse it as per your requirement. So you can download these folders in your local system as well. But obviously not everyone would be looking to get the solutions directly. These solutions are directly provided because we also have a set of subscribers who are already in the field of data science and big data, who come here to reuse the project solution so that they can customize it and build the project in their organization in a very shorter time frame. But if in case we look into the profile like you who are looking to get hands-on experience, you can refer to the project videos to work on the projects from the very scratch, wherein a complete concept guidance and a detailed implementation explanation would be given out here. So whenever you click on any one of the video, it would be displayed here at the very top. You can zoom the video from here, increase the quality, put subtitles, or decrease the speed of the video. So you will see step by step everything has been guided to you. Okay. Yep. And while you're referring to the project or while you're working on the project, if in case you have any questions or any doubts, you can directly go for a one on one live session with the experts. So, one on one live session with the experts is, in fact, the most used and the loved feature we have in our platform. So, for that, you simply need to click on the icon that you see here at the bottom corner. Click on this icon, click on send us a message, and then you click on talk to mentor. So, one on one live session is like the session we are in right now. So when you click on talk to mentor, you'd be raising a ticket notifying our team that you want a one-on-one session. So first the technical team would be reaching out to you to understand for which project you need the support and at what time are you available for this one-on-one session. So as per your convenient time, the one-on-one session would be successfully set up for you within 72 hours of time frame from the time when you have raised the ticket, because we need to also connect with the experts to get their feasible timing at what time they would be available. So according to their feasible and your feasible time, the session would be set up for you. Yeah. And apart from this, you can even within 72 hours from the time when you click here, after that within 5 to 3 hours, the technical team reaches out to you first, and then further we'll try our best to put it inside 12-24 hours. But in a worst case condition, it might take 72 hours, but it is within 72 hours. It will not exceed 72 hours. Yeah. Yeah. And apart from this one on one session, you can even go for chat or email support as well. Okay. If you have some small queries for which you are not preferring to go for a one on one sessions, then you can go for chat or email support. Now, let me take you back to the dashboard and guide you with the other details. Yeah. So every month, on a monthly basis, we come up with minimum 3 to 5 fresh projects so that you can check out. Mhm. Okay. Should I go with the same project? Project number one? Sure. So the same components are there. When I click on the project, project architecture diagram, project videos, yeah, Correct. The same, the project details, the aim, approach, the tech stack used. Correct. Complete implementations are there. Like concept guidance first and then implementation. So step by step, all the implementations would be guided to you. Yep. And at the very top, you see open code lab, the blue color button. So this would take you to our lab environment that opens up in your browser only. It's a virtual lab environment wherein you can run, compile, and work on the project. You can practice the code there. But if you want to set up the environment in your local system, then even for that, you can take our expert support. Yep. So the concerned technical team or expert team would be assigned to you to help you set up the entire environment in your local system itself. And also, the very first thing you see is live classes, right? So we also conduct live classes twice in a month, which is a batch wise sessions that we conduct. So this live sessions we cover real time projects. So you can, when you take up 12 months of subscription plan, you'll be able to cover up 12 real time project apart from the existing projects we have, and you can take up 24 live sessions with the expert in a batch wise sessions. Okay, so I'll be guiding you out. This is basically since I've enrolled in a paid account. So in this paid account, this plan is not yet added. So if I add, I need to pay just extra $199. So what is the complete package pricings? Yeah, we are the fresh projects they add up, and based upon the current market demand, the projects that we have put up here that will be further guided to you completely in a real time basis over this live classes. Two classes. Yeah, in a month, two classes would be conducted. So either it will be one project covered in one class or one project covered in two class, based upon the difficulty level of the project. Yeah. So you'll be notified 2 weeks before only for this live class, what time, what date the session would be conducted, so that you can prepare yourself accordingly. Yeah. Then we also come up with fresh projects every month that would be getting under project section under new launch projects. So the top five you see, the top, in fact, remove excluding the top first one, the five you see this has been put up in the month of November. This one has been put up in December first week. Then you see upcoming project. There'll be more upcoming project in this week. In this coming week, you can vote on the project, comment on the project as well before it is made live in the platform. And you can even request for a project if in case you want to work with certain specific business problems. Then we have is courses, which are basically certification program for projects. So these are all project based courses we have. Suppose you want to get certification on, say, AWS. And the course practical implementation certification, click on start now. You will see that it contains 36 projects with 261 hours of guided material with 719 lessons inside the same. So when you cover up this entire roadmap, after that, you'd be getting a certification for AWS data engineering from Project Pro for practical hands on experience. Correct. Yep. Then further we have is articles which are complementary learning materials, which comes in the form of vlogs, recipes, tutorials, and tool analyzer. So vlog is like a digital newspaper wherein you can read about some of the trending topics right now in the market. Then we have recipes. So recipes would help you learn about the minute topics that we have put up in the end-to-end projects. You can filter out the recipes from here, what kind of recipes you want to look into. Then we have is tutorials. Tutorials would help you learn about the individual tools and tech stacks that we have put up in the end-to-end projects. There are a lot of tutorials available. Then we have tools analyzer wherein you can analyze or get differentiation between two different best big data tools. You can select any two options here. Like example, let's take something in AWS, maybe AWS Glue and AWS Data Pipeline. Click on Compare Tool. Accordingly, you will see a complete comparison between the same would be displayed out here. In yes, under Article section, tool analyze inside articles, the tool analyzer section, you will find this analyzing section available where you can get the comparison between two different selected options. So you'll even find some projects that you can work with to understand the differences between the implementations of these selected options. Yeah. Now let me take you back. Let me give you a quick recap on one-on-one expert support. So one-to-one expert support, as I mentioned before, any technical queries you have, any project support you need, directly go for one-on-one expert support. Personalized learning path, even this I said before that you're confused on what kind of project roadmap to follow. Take our expert guidance. They'll understand your background and your goals more clearly and help you design the complete learning path for you. Then we have personal projects. So any projects that you're working by yourself or maybe in your workplace, you need some guidance, some support, take our expert guidance on the same. Then career guidance, wherein you can take full support to refine your resume, your project portfolio, and to guide you with the best career path that you should be going ahead with. So this services would be very important for you since you're looking to kickstart your career in data engineering, big data or data science domain. Then we have mock interview sessions conducted to make you ready for the real-time job interviews. And who these experts are, their complete details are available out here. So we have kept a full-fledged transparency. You can check onto their individual profile as well and look into their work experience, which organization they work with what position, and what all projects they have put up in our platform. You can check onto their individual profiles. Okay. So far, any questions from your end? No. One-to-one sessions, you don't have to pay extra. It comes under one subscription plan. If you want to take up live expert classes twice a month, for that you need to pay extra. Sure, let me help you out. Let me take you to the enrollment page. So on the website, you see we basically have three plans available. 7,000 per month for 12 months, 12-month subscription plan, wherein you can access everything that we discussed here, apart from live expert classes that we conduct twice a month. Whereas the second option you see is the most popular plan we have, wherein you can access all the services with expert-led classes for 12 months, 8,000 per month for 12 months. The other one is the 2 years plan, which is 5,800 rupees per month. This has same access as the middle option, just that the duration difference is there. This is for 12 months and this is for 2 years. Yeah, the first one is 7,000 per month for 12 months, 8,000 per month for 12 months, and 5,800 per for 24 months. We do have other plans as well, but that would come with either less export support or no export support. So, just a question I have, that you're looking only for projects, or are you looking for projects along with one-on-one export support? Only for projects. Mhm. Okay, you're looking only for projects as of now. Then in that case, Pankaj, I can guide you with one customized plan we have. Let me help you out. So the customized plan, if I see, we actually have some promotional offers as well, Pankaj. So it is completely based upon when you would be planning to enroll. because these promotional offers we go for a first come first serve basis. So let me check the pricing for you. Hold on. Yeah, so the pricing for only project access would be, uh, let me recheck. Yeah, it will be 5,000 rupees per month for 12 months. I mean, 12 months EMI. It will be 12 months access only. Even if it's for 6 months, the total costing would be 60,000 divided by 6 months. It's better you can have it for 12 months duration. 12 months, you can go for 60,000 with 12 installments by paying 5,000 per month. And if I add up the promotional offers, then the costing would be coming to only. Okay, let me check. Yeah, it would come to only 4,666 rupees per month. Only project access. Yeah, annually. We don't have 6 months or 3 months plans available, Pankaj. It's even if you access it for 6 months, even if you access for 6 months, the pricing remains the same because it's not based upon the duration. See, on the access, we can decrease it to 6 months or we can decrease it to 8 months or 9 months as well. But the pricing is based upon the projects that you are accessing. And we are providing you a maximum of 12 months EMI. 3 months plan, we can get it for you, but Pankaj, it will be quite expensive as compared to the plans that we already have with much more better services. For 3 months, the total costing is 48,000. So it's better you take up, longer duration plan because it's not just about upskilling yourself right now to get a job, but even after getting a job in the IT sector, one has to keep themselves well updated as per the current market demand and trends as well. Right. So in that case, our platform would be a very fit option for a working professional in this field too, because we add up fresh projects every month. Mhm. Oh, got it. So, Pankaj, what is your budget that you're looking into, by the way? What is the budget that you're looking into? Like you must have, certain budget that you can invest. 7,000. Mhm. Got it. Then you can do one thing, Pankaj. You can actually go for a 15 project plan we have. 15 project, yes. You can choose any 15 project of your choice from the website. 15 projects. So that 15 project, the costing would definitely come around your budget only. It is rupees 28,600 rupees in total, which you can go for an installment payment as well. 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 9 months installment option if one time payment is not possible. If you, yes, 50, any 15 projects. You'll be having access to it for lifelong. You can work with this 15 project in 1 month, 2 months, completely up to your call. Yeah, once when you get access, it is for a lifelong activation in your account for 15 projects. No, no. Yeah, then you can access 15 projects for lifelong. Yeah. It's regardless of the duration and anything, it's just on the project count. 15 projects costing you 28,600. Yes, you can choose. So after, yep. After the enrollment, I'll share the link with you, the project list link, wherein you'll find the complete set of projects we have. So whatever we have in our platform, so then you can choose any 15 projects of your choice. Yes. So this one, even if you go with 12 months of EMI, then the per month cost would be 23,083 rupees per month. You can go with lesser duration EMI as well, like for 6 months. If you go with suppose 6 months EMI, then just divide 28,600 by 6. The per month is 4,766 rupees per month. So it's a no cost EMI, so you would not be paying any additional amount apart from 28,600 rupees or per month cost. It will be only 2383 per month for 12 months. No additional interest or charges. And we have both debit card, credit card, EMI options available. Both of it are no cost EMI. Yep. Mhm. Below this, below this, let me check because one we had last month. Let me see if I can get it for you or not. Because for last month pricings, we can get approval only for on demo enrollment. So Pankaj, even I wanted to understand from you that how soon are you planning to work on the projects? After 1 week. So you are okay to go ahead for the enrollment right now and you want to activate your project after 1 week, correct? Hmm. So any deciding factor you have on the same? So, like, because the reason I was asking you this, Pankaj, is because if in case you are enrolling anytime by tomorrow, then I could get an approval for 5 project plan that we had for last month. So, 5 project plan costing is 19,600 rupees in total. Yeah, sure, sure. Just hold on. Understood. Yeah. There you see. Yeah, yeah, you can. 1 month, if you're going for 12 months duration EMI, the per month cost is 1633 per month. Yeah, but this one I have to check for the approval because max to max I can get the approval because it's already second week that we have touched for December, right? So to get last month's discount coupon would be very tough. But still I can give a chance and try and get an approval. But it's sure if I get approval, it will be only for this week, that is by tomorrow. So that's what. And even if you're enrolling by tomorrow, Pankaj, it's not compulsory for you to select the 5 project tomorrow itself. You can update me anytime in a week or so as well. So once when I share the project list linked with you after the enrollment, you can choose any 5 project anytime within a month duration and update me the list. And once when you share that 5 project list, the activation will be given to you. Yeah. So that is how it works. So let's drop an email to you regarding the discussion we had here. Just give me a moment. Sure, sure. जी, definitely. You can think over it, and I'll be putting up these details as well over the email for your reference. So, in the email, which pricing would you like me to put up? Okay, understood. Yeah, yeah, that is something that you're interested in for now. Got it. Understood. Sure. Let me share the details. Give me a minute. Done. I've shared the mail with you. So I've shared it over your email ID. What subject line have you received the mail, Pankaj? No, no, not that one. The discussion we had here regarding that I've shared the email to you just now. Sure. got it. Yeah. Summary of your demo call with project. Put up the pricing as well. Check it, and when would you want to connect with you for this to get your decision? Monday or Tuesday, sure. Tuesday, what time? Evening, 6:30, sure. But if you want to connect beforehand, please revert over the email itself. Or do you have WhatsApp in the number that we have, Pankaj? Okay, your WhatsApp number, let me check. Okay, the number that we have, which is just yeah, 77568700. Okay, fine. I'll message you in WhatsApp. If you have anything that you want to discuss before Tuesday, you can either reach out to me over the mail or in WhatsApp. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Have a good evening.